Okay, so this is lab 8, and I'm going to explain how my FPGA board in this module satisfies all the requirements of the lab. So first off, as we push the buttons, we can see that the counting isn't random, it's very synchronized. So when I push the button, it counts. So it is synchronized, and it's debounced as well. So the button on the right, I'm going to count to 16 pushing the buttons, and the number on the right is going to count up to just 16 as a debounced circuit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. And that's where it's at. It also demonstrates the one-shot capability because if I hold down the button, it doesn't keep counting, it only counts once. I can do that as many times as I want. Holding down the button does not make it count several times, but only once because of the one-shot detector. Also, it also detects the bouncing with the left digit here. As I push the button, you can see that it bounces every once in a while. It doesn't bounce very much, especially if I push it faster, it bounces more. And that's the other thing I'm going to show you, just how much my board bounces, and it's a little bit odd because when I push it slowly, it doesn't bounce as much. So I'm going to push it 32 times slowly, and I've had it demonstrate as little as 9% bouncing when I do that. So I'm going to do that. Pushing slowly and distinctly. Okay, so this time I bounced about 6 times for 32 button pushes, so that's about it's about what I'm getting. But we see that when I push it faster, I'm going to push it 32 times quickly, and it usually bounces a lot more when I do that. Wow, that's a new one. It hasn't bounced that little when I pressed it quickly, so I'm going to do that one more time and see if I can demonstrate what's been happening to me usually. There we go. That's usually about what happens. So I pushed it 32 times and it bounced. It only bounced 5 times. So I'm getting a little bit different results now than when I was looking at it earlier. But as you can see, my board does not bounce very much. And also, it does reset when I push the reset button. And I believe that is all. Thank you.